All right, so we got some short ribs here that we're gonna be cooking today. These some beef ribs, and you know, it's not too much fat on them, but you do want to trim some of the excess fat off that may not render down, but you also don't want to, you know, kill the whole rib too. So any excess rib or excess fat that you want to take off, then definitely take it off, you know. All right, so that one's pretty good there. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be using 2 seasonings a day. And again, this is pretty much, you know, with your salt and pepper rubs to give you a nice little bark on the outside of your ribs, right? So I got the black and tan. I'm gonna use it with, you know, these guys here, and see how it comes out. You see a little bit more pepper on that one. It's gonna give you a little bit, you know, darker bark, kind of give you a contrast with the red meat. A little bit different than the Thunder and Herd seasoning that I used the last time. And that's going to give you like that dark bark. You probably want to use this seasoning right here, you know, with a brisket, and it's going to give you that contrast when you open it up or cut it up with that smoke ring. You know, that's definitely what you're going to look for and look at. So I'm gonna throw this one on real quick. Right, so what we're cooking our ribs at, we got it set to 300. That's what we're gonna be cooking it on. And then, like I said, we got two rubs there. We got the black and tan, and then we also have the Thunder and Longhorn. And we're gonna top that hood back down, man. Because again, if you're looking, you ain't cooking, man. So we're gonna come back, let these things do what they do. So this has been going on for a little minute. So we're gonna get in here and, you know, get a little spritz here and there. And this one got a little cooling, so I'm gonna let that drip off a little bit. Right. And we close that bad boy back up. Alright, so we're gonna get up in here, and as you can see, you know, that first one that I put on really didn't have much, you know what I'm saying, meat on there. So we're just gonna probe that to see. Alright, so we got our thermometer. We got our probe right there, so you see right there, not much sticking, so in and out like butter, right? And that's what you want. These things are ready to go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get these babies out of the grill here. Oh, look at that right there. Ooh-wee. You got your other. All right, so we cooked those ribs low and slow, and they ready to go, man. So you look at that right there. Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece of that because it looks absolutely, see that? And them juices right there. And then that bark on there, woo-wee. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this thing a bite. Now that's what you want right there, melt in your mouth. Good flavor. And this one right here, that was that tan and black right there. That's pretty good. You got that pepper and that salt, you know, that Texas style, you know, barbecue rib. That's what's up, man. Thanks for watching. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button, because you already know we about to smash into this wing.